Transform your cluttered spaces into organized havens with these space-saving Amazon products. From genius storage solutions to multifunctional gadgets, we've curated the ultimate list to help you maximize every corner of your home. All product links down below. This full-size lift-up storage bed is the ultimate solution for saving space and adding style to your bedroom. Its hydraulic lift design reveals a large hidden storage area, perfect for seasonal items, suitcases, and rarely used belongings. It blends aesthetics with functionality while ensuring your mattress stays securely in place. Wall-mounted folding stool is a space-saving marvel for modern homes and offices. With its easy folding mechanism and sturdy design supporting up to 330 pounds, it provides both convenience and stability. Crafted from environmentally friendly materials, this quiet, anti-slip stool seamlessly fits into any setting, be it your entryway, living room, or office, combining functionality with a sleek, multi-purpose design. This floating desk is the perfect blend of functionality and style for any home office or study space. With 8 open cabinets and a 6-tier shelf, it offers ample storage to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Its sleek, scratch-resistant design ensures durability, while the wall-mounted foldable feature saves space and adapts effortlessly to your needs, whether you're working, studying, or creating. Easy to assemble and install, this desk is a versatile solution for modern living. This 5-piece stackable kitchen gadget set is a must-have for small kitchens and RVs. It includes a grater, garlic grinder, pizza cutter, bottle opener, and swivel peeler, all made with durable ABS plastic and stainless steel for smooth and efficient food prep. Compact and cleverly designed for space-saving storage, you can stack them neatly in a drawer or hang them on the wall, making it perfect for modern kitchens and a thoughtful gift for any occasion. The original slap chop makes meal prep a breeze with its easy push-down handle and rotating stainless steel blades. With each slap, it chops, minces, or dices ingredients faster than ever, while the large cup container collects everything neatly. Designed for convenience, it opens like a butterfly for effortless cleaning, perfect for preparing everything from salads to ice cream toppings in seconds. Maximize your storage space with the ultra space-saving self-compression organizer. Perfect for bulky items like blankets, comforters, and sweaters, its sturdy, waterproof design keeps your belongings tidy and protected from wrinkles and stains. With reinforced handles for easy transport and stackable 3-dimensional shape, it's the ideal solution for moving, organizing closets, or dorm room essentials. This collapsible plastic laundry basket combines convenience and innovation for everyday use. With a patented design and BPA-free material, it features comfort grip handles for easy carrying and pops open for use while folding flat to just 2.7 inches for 70% space savings. Perfect for laundry, toy storage, or even keeping your car trunk organized. Its sturdy construction ensures durability without deforming, making it a versatile storage solution for any home. This 12-in-1 Tower Surge Protector Power Strip is your ultimate charging solution for home, office, or dorm rooms. Featuring 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, it can charge up to 12 devices simultaneously while keeping your space organized. With a flat plug design for tight spaces, USB-C compatibility for fast charging, and built-in surge protection, it offers safety, convenience, and a compact design to fit seamlessly into any workspace. Foldable sink cover is a game-changer for creating extra space and protecting your sink. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it can withstand temperatures up to 480 degrees, making it perfect for styling tools while doubling as a countertop extension. Available in 2 sizes, it holds up to 7 pounds and features a textured surface for cleaning makeup brushes, keeping your bathroom clutter-free and your beauty routine seamless. This isn't just a dining table, it's a shape-shifting marvel. Easily transform it from a compact console table to a full-fledged dining table, accommodating 2 to 6 people. Its adaptability makes it ideal for various occasions, from intimate dinners to family gatherings.